Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can change hosting your name servers to Cloudflare name servers. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. This ensures, by the way, your domain traffic goes through Cloudflare and it gives you faster performance and extra security. So first, you will log into your Hostinger account, and then after you log in, you will go to domains, and then you will click manage for the domain that you want to connect. And next, you will find the DNS or name server section, and then you will click change name servers. And after that, you will just have to copy the to Cloudflare dashboard. So you will go to your Cloudflare account and then go ahead and go to your overview, and then look for Cloudflare dash dashboard or name servers. So you could actually just look for it. So again, you have to make sure that you do have the full version of this website so that you would be able to actually see it. And then after that, after clicking that, you will just have to paste these Cloudflare name servers into your Hostinger form, and then you will just basically have to ensure that there are no extra spaces, and then you will just have to click save changes once you're done. And Hostinger may take a few minutes to propagate the new settings. And finally, go back to your Cloudflare dashboard, and then here you will just have to click check name servers if it is available for you, and then go back, and then you should see a confirmation once the change is detected. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you, and have an awesome day.